Humanity has toppled many records over the past few decades. Nevertheless, our potential is bound by certain scientific principles, and some things are just not possible, or almost impossible, to do. Let's check some facts about human abilities that may surprise you. Let me know in the comments if you can do any of these stuff listed. Let's get started. Number 10. Fold paper 8 times. A4 paper can be folded no more than 7 times. Mythbusters conducted an experiment and came up with a conclusion. Even a very large, dry sheet of paper cannot be folded more than 7 times, and it was proven with A4 paper. Number 9. Bend your pinky without moving your ring finger. All the fingers are interconnected. They share flexor tendons that allow you to bend your fingers. If you try to bend one, another finger will bend along with it. Number 8. Do difficult tongue tricks. There is a belief that the ability to do different tongue tricks is the result of genetic inheritance. Rolling the tongue into a tube shape is often described as a dominant trait, and there are not very many people who can do it. Number 7. Wiggle your ears. Wiggling ears was useful in ancestral creatures, but it eventually became functionless. You need to use 3 muscles which are attached in front of, above, and behind the ears. Number 6. Fit your fist in your mouth. You need to have a very small fist and a big mouth. There is no need to go all out conducting research to compare the sizes of a fist and a mouth. Adult hands are usually between 6 inches and 11 inches, and a regular mouth is 2.75 inches. Number 5. Lick your elbow. You can only do this if you have a short upper arm combined with an abnormally long tongue. Plus you need to be flexible. You can develop this ability or just check to see if you have this rare talent. Number 4. Talking while breathing in. If you don't believe me, just try it. Chords are like a flute. To talk you need air passing by them to make vibrations and sounds. You can still produce sounds while inhaling, but it sounds weird. Number 3. Swallow a spoonful of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains substances that trigger the gag reflex, and a large portion of it can cause this sensation in the mouth and throat. So it's better to not overdo it on top of your coffee. Number 2. Tickle yourself. Neurological scientists have pinpointed the cerebellum as the part of the brain that prevents us from self-tickling. This part of our brain can distinguish expected sensations from unexpected sensations. Number 1. Break an egg holding its top and bottom. Nature was not playing around when it chose a spherical shape for eggs. When we push an egg with our fingers, the pressure is distributed over the entire surface of the egg. And if there is the same pressure on the whole egg, there is less tension on the shell. Can you do any of these things? Do you have any other unusual abilities? Please share this with your friends and leave your comments below.